Hello, and a very warm, gentle welcome to you. I'm Mia, and I'm so glad you've chosen to spend this time with us.
And I'm Jack. It's a pleasure to be here with you. Tonight, our only goal is to help you unwind, to let go of the day, and to create a peaceful space for your mind to rest.
That's right. So find a position that feels truly comfortable for you. Perhaps lying down, feeling the support of the surface beneath you. Let your arms and legs feel heavy and relaxed.
And if you feel comfortable, gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and the long, soft breath out. There's nothing you need to do and nothing you need to know.
In this episode, we're going to softly explore some common English phrases. You might like to repeat them quietly after us, letting the words flow easily, or you can simply listen. Just allow our voices to be a soothing sound in the background.
Please know there are no tests here and no pressure to remember anything. This is your time to relax, to feel calm, and perhaps to drift into a peaceful sleep. Let's begin.
We'll start with some gentle greetings and polite openers. Our first phrase is, "How's it going?"
How's it going?
This is a wonderfully friendly and casual way to ask someone how they are. It's less formal than, "How are you?" and invites a more relaxed response. For example, if you see a neighbor in their garden, you could offer a gentle smile and say, "Morning, Sarah. How's it going?"
Or when meeting a friend at a cafe, you might sit down and say, "Hey Tom, how's it going? Good to see you."
How's it going?
How's it going?
Here is our next one. Lovely to see you. Lovely to see you. This is a very warm and heartfelt way to greet someone you haven't seen in a little while. The word lovely adds a layer of genuine happiness. For instance, when an old friend arrives at your home, you could open the door and say, "Come in, it's so lovely to see you."
Or if you run into a former colleague, you might say, "David, wow, it's been ages. Lovely to see you."
Lovely to see you.
Lovely to see you.
And another one. You all right?
You all right?
This phrase can be a simple hello, or it can be a gentle question to check if someone is okay. The meaning often comes from your tone of voice. As a simple greeting, you might pass someone in the hallway at work and nod, saying, "You all right?"
And to show concern, if you see a friend looking sad, you could softly ask, "You all right? You seem a bit down."
You all right?
You all right?
And finally, for this section, long time no see.
Long time no see.
We use this warm phrase when we meet someone we haven't seen in a significant period. It acknowledges the gap in time in a very friendly way. Imagine bumping into a university friend you haven't seen in years. You'd likely smile widely and say, "Wow, Chloe, long time no see."
Or when a cousin visits from overseas, you could give him a hug and say, "It's so good to have you here. Long time no see."
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
Now, let's move into some gentle small talk starters. Our first phrase is, "Been busy lately?"
Been busy lately?
This is a simple and open question to ask what someone has been doing. It's a soft way to invite them to share about their work, hobbies, or family life. You could ask a friend over coffee, "So what's new? Been busy lately?"
Or you might ask a neighbor over the fence, "Haven't seen you much. Been busy lately?"
Been busy lately?
Been busy lately?
Here's a classic. Nice weather we're having.
Nice weather we're having.
This is a safe and reliable way to begin a conversation with anyone. It's an observation about something you both share in that moment, making it comfortable. For example, while waiting for a bus next to someone, you could say, "Nice weather we're having today, isn't it?"
Or when the person serving you coffee comments on the beautiful sunshine, you could agree by saying, "It certainly is. Lovely weather we're having."
Nice weather we're having.
Nice weather we're having.
Another gentle question, how was your day?
How was your day?
A simple, caring question that shows you are thinking of someone. It is most often used in the evening when the main activities of the day are over. You might say this to your partner or flatmate when they arrive home. Welcome back. How was your day?
Or when you call a family member in the evening, you could start with, Hi, Mom, just calling to see how you are. How was your day?
How was your day?
How was your day?
Let's try this one. Have you got much on this weekend?
Have you got much on this weekend?
This is a friendly question asking about someone's plans. Much on is a casual way of saying many activities planned. It shows interest in their life. You might ask a work colleague this on a Friday afternoon. Well, that's the week done. Have you got much on this weekend?
Or when chatting with a friend, it's a natural way to continue the conversation. That sounds busy. Have you got much on this weekend?
Have you got much on this weekend?
Have you got much on this weekend?
Now for asking for help and clarification. The first phrase is, could you please help me with this?
Could you please help me with this?
This is a polite and clear way to ask for assistance. Using could you please makes the request soft and respectful, not demanding. For example, in a shop, if you can't reach an item, you could ask an employee, excuse me, could you please help me with this?
Or if you're struggling to open a jar, you might ask someone, I can't get this open. Could you please help me with this?
Could you please help me with this?
Could you please help me with this?
When you don't understand something, sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
This is a very polite way to say you didn't hear or understand. Didn't quite catch is softer than saying I didn't hear you. For example, if someone is speaking quickly on the phone, you can say, sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Could you say it again?
Or in a noisy room, you might lean in and say, it's a bit loud in here. Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
And another option, could you say that again, please?
Could you say that again, please?
This is a direct but very polite request for repetition. The word please is important as it keeps the tone soft and respectful. When a doctor gives you instructions, you might say, I want to be sure I understand. Could you say that again, please?
Or if someone tells you a phone number, you can ask, just to get it right, could you say that again, please?
Could you say that again, please?
Could you say that again, please?
Our next topic is shopping and everyday errands. Here's a very useful phrase. Just browsing, thanks.
Just browsing, thanks.
This is the perfect, polite response when a shop assistant asks, can I help you? But you just want to look around without any pressure. Browsing means looking casually. When you walk into a clothing store and an assistant approaches, you can smile and say, I'm okay for now, just browsing, thanks.
It works in any kind of shop, like a bookshop. Just browsing, thanks. I'll let you know if I need anything. It's friendly and clear.
Just browsing, thanks.
Just browsing, thanks.
And another one for shopping. Do you have this in another color?
Do you have this in another color?
This is a specific question for when you like an item, but you would prefer it in a different shade or style. You can also ask for another size. While holding a jumper, you might ask the shop assistant, I love this style. Do you have this in another color?
Or trying on shoes, you could say, these are a bit tight. Do you have this in another size?
Do you have this in another color?
Do you have this in another color?
Now, let's drift into making plans and invitations. Here is a lovely, gentle way to ask someone out. Would you like to grab a coffee sometime?
Would you like to grab a coffee sometime?
This is a very low pressure and casual invitation. Grab a coffee suggests a short, relaxed meeting, and sometime leaves the timing open. You could say this at the end of a nice conversation. It was great chatting. Would you like to grab a coffee sometime?
Or to a friend you haven't seen in a while, we really need to catch up. Would you like to grab a coffee next week?
Would you like to grab a coffee sometime?
Would you like to grab a coffee sometime?
And a positive response, sounds lovely.
Sounds lovely. This is a warm and enthusiastic way to agree to a suggestion or accept an invitation. It shows you are pleased with the idea.
If a friend says, let's have a picnic in the park on Sunday, you could reply, oh, that sounds lovely.
Or if someone suggests we could go for a walk along the beach, your happy response could be, sounds lovely. I'd really enjoy that.
Sounds lovely.
Sounds lovely.
And another one for making plans. Are you free on Saturday?
Are you free on Saturday?
This is a direct and clear way to check someone's availability before you make an invitation. You can use any day of the week or time. Before suggesting an activity, you could first ask, I was hoping we could catch up. Are you free on Saturday?
Or if you want to organize a group event, you could message your friend saying, hi everyone, are you free on Saturday evening for dinner?
Are you free on Saturday?
Are you free on Saturday?
Finally, our last section, simple, gentle phrases for setting boundaries. Here's the first. I need a bit of quiet time.
I need a bit of quiet time.
This is a calm and honest way to express your need for space without being rude. It's a statement about your needs for rest and recovery. If someone asks you to do something social after a long day, you could say, that sounds nice, but I think I just need a bit of quiet time tonight.
Or you could say to your family, I'm just going to my room for a little while. I need a bit of quiet time.
I need a bit of quiet time.
I need a bit of quiet time.
And a polite way to decline. Maybe another time.
Maybe another time.
This phrase softens a no. It says that you cannot do something right now, but you are open to the idea in the future. If a friend invites you out, but you're too tired, you could say, I don't think I can tonight. Maybe another time.
Or if a colleague suggests a new project, you could say, my plate is full right now. Maybe another time.
Maybe another time.
Maybe another time.
And now, let's just gently drift back over some of those phrases. You don't need to do anything at all. Just listen to the rhythm of the words as you rest. How's it going?
How's it going?
Lovely to see you.
Lovely to see you.
Been busy lately?
Been busy lately?
How was your day?
How was your day?
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
Could you say that again, please?
Could you say that again, please?
Just browsing, thanks.
Just browsing, thanks.
Do you have this in another color?
Do you have this in another color?
Are you free on Saturday?
Are you free on Saturday?
Sound lovely.
Sounds lovely.
I need a bit of quiet time.
I need a bit of quiet time.
Maybe another time.
Maybe another time.
And that brings our gentle session to a close. We hope you're feeling deeply relaxed and peaceful.
Thank you for sharing your time with us. There is nothing left for you to do now but to continue resting. Let your breathing be slow and easy.
Let the quiet of the night settle around you. May your sleep be deep and your dreams be sweet.
Good night from both of us. Sleep well.